ULPATEK offers filtration solutions for all ventilation systems, from the basic air conditioning systems to clean rooms. With its international standard complying products, ULPATEK has a key position in the market, from hygienic applications such as hospitals, pharmaceuticals, food, electronics, and plastic frame materials. Even the smallest bolt is selected with this awareness. One of the main principles of ULPATEK is ensuring employee satisfaction as well as customer satisfaction. In order to fulfill the product conditions perfectly, provides training to all levels of staff and provides them with suitable working conditions. ULPATEK continues to be a reliable company in the sector with its products and solutions that require engineering infrastructure which are raw material test, filter test in accordance with ISO 16890, and performance test are performed 890 filter test system at ULPA Lab, which is the first in Turkey.